Task number 8, challenge number 4, the CMD Conundrum. Let's view the site. It looks like we have a Windows machine. Print working. Wait a second. For the Windows machine, it's not list. DIR and then readme.txt. System shows signs of tampering. Investigate the mystery data directory. Let me see. DAR mystery data type notes.txt. Some logs were wiped. All right. DAR actually /A. All right. Hidden flag.txt. All right. So basically, McSkitty's workstation shows a sign of tampering, suspicious files moved, logs wiped, and a strange folder named mystery data. It's time to use the Windows command prompt to uncover what's hidden. Learning these commands help you investigate systems and find what the GUIs can't. Objective: find the hidden flag file using Windows commands. Use dir to list visible files. Type dir /A to reveal hidden ones. The /A reveals hidden files in Windows systems, but -A in Linux. Use type and then the text file to read it, right? Awesome.